Your color comes up, you go.
Just so you know, Andrew, you're creating 6 different timelines. It's called the Chaos Theory.
Of course, Derek. Of course.
Don't do this. We live in a time of uncertainty and disorder. Universe is a bottomless pit of variables and luck playing off one another. We shouldn't fight the odds, but rather choose the option that is the most predictable.
Give me the cube, Derek.
Let him finish.
Take our friend group, for example. It doesn't matter who gets suspended after all this. The only thing that matters is that we accept each other's flaws and virtues. A true community, if you will. Eliza will always fight the status quo. Maddie will always be giving. Kim's dad will always be a variable to account for. Connor will always provide heart and charisma to anything he does. Kim will always prevent the group from imploding from the inside. And Andrew will always lead us to all be better versions of ourselves.
Derek, don't be ridiculous. I'm no leader. Hand me the Rubik's Cube.
You know, Derek is on something. We would have never had this insightful conversation without your Rubik's Cube idea.
Everyone nods in agreement. Kim notices something on Andrew.
Andrew, your shoes are untied.
Andrew looks down in shock, seconds away from tripping once again. He quickly ties his shoes and stares at Derek in bewilderment.
So, what do you suggest we do, Derek?
I'll be the one that gets suspended. I volunteer as tribute.
Please don't do this to yourself.
I've spent the last few seconds calculating all possible realities based on the formulaic personalities you all have. None of them have ended well. Even the one where none of us go ended with one of us in tears. I prefer to be the author of my own fate. And please, let's be real here. If Andrew didn't suggest the Rubik's Cube, I would have been the one voted for anyway. It's clear I don't belong.
None of us belong anywhere. And that's exactly why we all do.
No. It's okay, Maddie. It's better this way.
Man, I don't want you to go. This is as frustrating as a head full of earwax.
Derek stares at Connor, biting his lip. He shrugs and chooses not to say anything. As if on cue, the guard enters the bus. Derek solemnly walks over to him with his bag full of tortured candy. He tosses it into the trash, followed by him getting cuffed by the guard. The two exit the bus. It almost feels like this was meant to be. Balance has been restored. The 5, Andrew, Kim, Connor, Maddie, and Eliza, look down in sadness. Despite his divisive personality, none of them were truly able to accept that he's gone.
So that's it. Derek's just getting suspended?
I think so. Maybe we should all say a few words.
Maybe we shouldn't dwell on his absence, but rather reminisce about his present here.
He may have been problematic in the past, but his parting words were very meaningful.
Did I ever mention you guys are my best friends?
The 5 go in for a huge group hug. But almost immediately, the bathroom door swings open, revealing Principal Panagiban.
Bravo! Encore! What a splendid show!
Are you alright?
Though I could have done without the nasty heat stroke.
Hold on, heat stroke? No one drugged you.
What? Of course not! I'm old. Heat stroke hits boomers harder. Besides, I've been listening to your conversation for the last few minutes.
And you didn't tell us? We were left power for the last hour.
I didn't want to interrupt such a raw, human moment. I told you guys. Why did we assume someone took time out of their day to commit an actual family meal? And on the principle?
Eliza clicks on a song on her playlist.
Maybe we should listen to Kim Moria.
Everyone nods in agreement, even Andrew.
So Derek isn't getting suspended. No one committed a crime after all?
Word with the security guard. For now, you should all cherish the company of one another. You never know when it will come to an end. Truly, there is nothing more beautiful than finality.
The five friends stare at each other once again.
So, does anyone want honey glazed pork chop?
You know what? Yes, Connor. Yes, I will have a pork chop.
Connor grins gleefully as he hands Andrew one. Andrew carefully inspects the slab of meat.
Not to be rude or anything, but this thing is a little undercooked.
Oh, that wasn't rude at all, Andrew. Of course I wouldn't want to feed my friends a slightly raw pork chop. Back to the oven it goes.
Neil Diamond begins singing everyone's favorite lyric.
Good times never seem so good. I've been inclined to believe there never was, but now
And as the music continues to play, Principal Panagibang, Derek, and the security guard are seen staring at the five teenagers dancing wildly inside the bus.
We're dancing wildly inside the bus.
This is what happens when I leave them alone.
And you aren't the least bit bothered by that.
No, Principal. If they're happy, then I'm happy. Chaos theory. Everything in its right place.
Monsieur Santiago, Kim's father, appears on the left and notices Derek, the guard, and the principal.
Is Kim having fun with her friends?
A rare sight, isn't it? I've observed that she's always hard at work, never able to step back and take a breath.
I probably shouldn't tell her that she's adopted this time, then.
This time? Yo, dude, okay. What is this? A tradition? Something that you mention at the end of every year?
No, it's just... Whatever, it's not important. I think that they'll get along just fine without us. Jigsaw falling into place.
The four, Monsieur Santiago, Derek, the guard, and the principal, all grin, staring at the five happy teenagers as we all fade into black.